Welcome. I'm starting with a promise. You will leave this presentation seeing success through a new lens, one that honors your spiritual integrity and supports your nervous system. We will dismantle the myths that kept you locked in stress and reveal a truth that offers relief and clarity. Today, I'll uncover 3 powerful secrets that helped me and many others transition from burnout to prosperity and peace. This isn't just a webinar, it's your opportunity to choose a new, fulfilling path. Let me properly introduce myself. My name is Ian Tasker. My journey includes astronomy education research, international space law, and the historical study of colonial astronomy. But underneath these credentials lies a deeper spiritual exploration. I realized academic success meant nothing if I felt emotionally and spiritually depleted. So I asked myself, what does true alignment mean? This search led me to the method I now share with others. Here's what we'll explore today. Secret number 1 reveals why traditional approaches like mindset work and journaling haven't delivered the results you crave, and what essential elements changes everything. Secret number 2 uncovers how to release guilt and resistance, allowing you to feel safe in charging more and being seen. Finally, secret number 3 introduces my invisible path framework, which blends deep spiritual practice with practical business success. Each secret fits like a puzzle piece, bringing you clarity and action. Justifying your failures. Have you ever asked yourself, why am I still stuck despite all the work I've done? You're not lazy or lacking drive. Traditional success systems were built for people conditioned for hustle, not harmony. They didn't consider your sensitivity or spiritual nature. You've been using incomplete tools. That changes today. Many high achievers, especially those who are spiritually attuned, fear that slowing down means falling behind. But slowing down can be your fast track to aligned success. When your body feels safe, your soul leads. And when your soul leads, your results amplify naturally, not from force, but from energetic frequency. Throwing rocks at your enemies. Let's name the problem. It's the hustle culture. It glorifies burnout, promotes shame-based productivity, and severs your connection to intuition. The system is not only outdated, but also quite dangerous. Today, I offer you a new model, one based on nervous system support, self-trust, and alignment with your energy. Have you ever felt that conventional business teachings miss something essential? That they don't honor your emotional or spiritual truth? You're not imagining it. You've been right all along. Those models weren't built for your values. Today, you'll finally see a model that is. You dreamed of a life where prosperity and peace coexisted, where your work feels sacred and your earnings reflected your worth, where visibility doesn't cost your well-being. That dream is not a fantasy, it's a message, and today I'll show you how to bring it into reality. Pattern interrupt. Let's disrupt what you've been taught. Rest is a revenue strategy. Say it aloud. Rest is a revenue strategy. When your body is grounded, your creativity thrives. When you're calm, your audience feels it. Lead from rest, and you naturally attract abundance. This single shift can transform everything. I used to overachieve. I racked up accolades, publications, and milestones. But behind all the success, I ran on empty. I performed non-stop and forgot how to simply live. Despite my achievements, I felt spiritually barren. I lived in anxiety, afraid to pause, fearing that stopping would lead to collapse. More than extreme success, more than external success, I longed for peace and authenticity. I needed a way to serve from my truth without crumbling under pressure. I sought solutions through productivity hacks, mindset coaching, and spiritual techniques. I consumed endlessly but stayed stuck and invisible. Everything changed when I turned inwards. I focused on my body and energy. Daily nervous system anchoring transformed me, not just in thought, but in being. From there, my peace, income, and visibility expanded. This program isn't for everyone. If you want quick fixes or superficial results, this definitely isn't for you. But if you value depth, spiritual integrity, and lasting inner change, this invitation is yours. Let's explore the first core shift. Many people stall here. They've heard that the mindset is key, yet mindset work hasn't worked. Why? Because a dysregulated nervous system blocks transformation. Until you address this, you'll keep repeating cycles. That's why nervous system work is foundational, not optional. Before I addressed my nervous system, I kept sabotaging success. I journaled, affirmed, meditated, but still froze at visibility, pricing, and pressure. My body lived in survival mode, overriding all logic. Then I realized the problem wasn't my mindset, it was my biology. I tried to think my way out of trauma. That never works. When I began daily nervous system regulation, even just 10 minutes a day, everything started to shift. With consistent practice, I stopped fearing visibility. I launched offers, created content, and spoke with confidence. Calm allowed my brilliance to emerge. Nervous system support unlocked my true presence. Let's move on to secret number 2. This one targets deep emotional blocks. That inner voice of shame, the one that says you're too much or not enough. That voice loses power when you heal it. I'll guide you in doing just that. limiting beliefs. I used to believe I shouldn't charge for spiritual work. Maybe you've felt that too, that charging for healing somehow corrupts it. That belief shackled me for years. I now have a new truth, but I saw the truth. Money mirrors energy. It's not corrupt, it's catalytic. Pricing from soul alignment empowers both giver and receiver. It amplifies the sacred exchange. A client example. I worked with a healer who undercharged for years. She feared raising prices, but once she aligned her beliefs and pricing, everything changed. Her income doubled, her clients respected her, and she finally felt safe to receive. Secret number 3 ties everything together. I call it the invisible path framework, a sequence of practices and strategies that guide you from survival to soul-aligned success without overwhelm. Before the map, before building my framework, I operated in chaos. One day I thrived, the next I crashed. My energy had no container. My success felt random and unsustainable. Creating the map. So I created anchors, daily rituals, energetic boundaries, and offered structures that honored my rhythms. I integrated ritual and rest into every business tool. The map's results. This map changed my life. I became steady, visible, and magnetic. I launched with ease. I nurtured clients with depth, and I thrived without burnout. You've now seen the shifts that create real transformation. Would it be okay if I showed you how to apply this to your life, step by step, with my full support? Let me ask your permission. You've seen the philosophy and the process that make this work. Would it be okay if I shared the exact way I guide people step by step through this transformation? What I'm about to show you isn't a pitch. It's an invitation into your next evolution. The invisible path to true happiness is a 12-module journey. It goes beyond theory and takes you straight into implementation. You'll progress through nervous system anchoring, visibility expansion, offer alignment, and identity recoding. Each module builds on the last so that you evolve, not just understand. What you'll get and what you'll eliminate. Here's what's inside. You'll receive practical tools, daily practices, pricing templates, offer structures, and visibility strategies. But equally importantly, you'll let go of exhaustion, guilt, and the fear of being seen. You'll build peace and power into your business. I spent years trying to figure this out alone, reading, hiring coaches, attending seminars. Most didn't honor my nervous system. This course compresses everything I've learned into a clear, supported path, saving you money, time, and the emotional wear and tear. Bonus number 1, spiritual pricing toolkit. This toolkit gives you templates to price your offer with spiritual congruence. You'll stop undercharging and second guessing. You'll name your price with calm and clarity. Bonus number 2, visibility without overwhelm. It's a masterclass. This masterclass is designed for sensitive leaders who resist online visibility. I'll show you how to show up online with presence, not pressure. You'll learn to lead with energy instead of effort. Bonus number 3, aligned offer blueprint. This blueprint guides you in designing offers that feel authentic, clear, and sustainable. It ensures your business supports your life, not the other way around. Bonus number 4, Sacred Business Rituals Audio Library. You'll receive a library of guided audio rituals to regulate your energy before launches, sales calls, or content creation. These rituals help you shift from tension to flow. When you enroll today, you'll get a private alignment session with me, one-on-one. This call is powerful. We calibrate your nervous system to your business model. You'll walk away clear, grounded, and activated. The total value stack. Altogether, the core program and bonuses are valued at over $4,700. But your investment today is only $1,997. This is a full transformation, priced at a fraction of what it's worth. I want you to feel safe enrolling. So here's the guarantee. Go through the first 3 modules. If you don't feel a shift, email us. You'll receive a full refund. This isn't about pressure. It's about alignment. We keep cohorts intimate. Only 25 spots are available and the enrollment closes Sunday at midnight. If you feel that yes, trust it. Don't miss your moment. You have 2 options. 1, stay where you are, keep cycling through the same struggles. Or 2, choose a new path, one grounded in peace, clarity, and power. What would it be worth to lead without burnout? To make money in a way that feels nourishing? To finally feel safe in your visibility? For many, it's priceless. If this speaks to you, take action now. I'd love to walk this path with you. Maybe you've tried other programs. Maybe you're wondering, will this work for me? I get it. But this is different. It's not mindset only. It's body, energy, and soul, all working together. If all this did was help you price with peace, or finally rest without guilt, or feel safe to be seen, would it be worth it? This is your moment. You've already felt a shift just by being here. Let's turn that spark into a flame. Join us on the invisible path to happiness. I'll see you inside.